Fire escape engineers inspector summary video. We're here in Maywood, Prospect Ave, and we have a fire escape here that got hit by a truck. Severe damage to this truck was pretty powerful. It created a lot of structural cracks on the entire wall. Fire escape actually was pushed to the right. Severity of this truck situation is further shown right here with how much damage they did to this wall. So again, the fire escape was enough to push this whole ladder system and destroy it. This bottom piece, it is repairable, unless they can't find the same matching materials, but they should have no problem. A couple things you need to do on this fire escape in order, because it got pulled, so every one of these connections is suspect now. Fire escape has to be spot repaired and then fully load tested, or the fire escape can be refurbished in lieu of a load test to avoid the load test. So let's take a look at some of the things that needs to be done. 100% of all these bolts, because they've been compromised from the hit, rebolt the entire staircase. All these welds that basically tying up this lower platform and the upper platform, because it did get pulled to the right. We can either x-ray them or we can load test them, but it's going to be cheaper for us to just change out all the bolts on the welded connections. So to avoid load testing or x-raying this connection, as soon as you pop in some bolts and seal it with silicone, all the connections on all the platform brackets, you avoid the load test and the x-ray process. The frame that got racked, as soon as you rebolt and seal that frame, no need for load testing. The railing, same thing. It's all welded connections. They got pushed. As soon as you bolt all the connections and retie it back to the building, avoid the load test. We do a pull test on these brackets or do an inside investigation to see what happened on the inside. Every one of these must be nullified and or verified. Staircase 100%, clips at the bottom, clips at the top to avoid having to verify the welds and just rebolt the stringers. The railing system on this thing it's weak. We need to have a top angle, 2x2 angle, and then you have to, every 5 stairs plus minus you need a post of 2x2 angle. The entire platform up at the top has to do the same thing as this below. You have to, all the welded connections are suspect, so now as soon as you rebolt it, you avoid the need for a load test. So you need to nullify or verify every one of those welded connections with an x-ray or a load test. The entire framework up there needs to be done also, similar to this framework down here. Rebolt it, seal it with silicone. 100% of all the railings up there, the same exact thing. And then when all is said and done, and 100% of the joints are sealed with silicone, this fire escape needs to be fully painted. This fire escape was older than 1978, so it's presumed to have lead. Whoever touches this fire escape must have a renovator's license. And any work performed on this must be done with a permit. If no permit is required, the city official will make you aware of that. And you must file and fill out a confidence test upon completion of the repair work done by any vendor. Vendor must be licensed. The engineer oversight is required, so this work is not going to be seen by the city official or the fire prevention. This must be overseen by fire escape engineer or structural engineer to avoid the load test, and a certificate must be issued. 3 visits minimum on this fire escape in order to verify that all the work is being done as per the report. Any questions, fire escape engineers? 866-649-0333, 866-649-0333, and this is Inspector Meneses.